everyone. So welcome to our first lecture on percentages. We'll be talking about a trick of percentages which can be used a lot to solve the aptitude questions. Before we begin with the trick, I just want to give you a quick glimpse about my profile. So my name is Rajul and I've been appearing for CAT. This will be my 13th attempt of CAT, and I've been clearing CAT 12 times in a row with more than 99 percentile in my sections, which are Quantitative, Aptitude, and LRDI. Moreover, I have also done my MBA from MBI Gurgaon in the year 2014-16. Okay, so coming to the trick. What is the trick of percentage? So as we know, percentage means per 100. So what is the trick I want to teach you today? So I want to teach you that if somebody asks you, if I give you a number like 221, so I can directly say that 100% of 221 is 221, 10% of 221 is 22.1, and 1% of 221 is 2.21. Now, with the use of these three things, which are 100%, 10%, and 1%, we can actually calculate any percentage. So if I ask you, what is 21% of 221? So I can directly say that 10% is 22. So 20% will be approximately 44. 1% is 2.21. So I will add 2. So answer will be approximately equal to 46. So what am I doing? I am asking you to solve 21% of 221. And I need an approximate answer because in CAT there will be 4 options. So 21% के लिए मैं 10% निकालता हूँ. 10% is 22.1. So 20% will be approximately equal to 24 point something, sorry, 44 point something. 1% is 2 point something. So answer will be 21% will be 46 point something. We can directly say that the answer is between 46 and 47. Okay, let's apply this in one more question, which is 97% of 221. So if I ask you what is 97% of 221, I can directly say that 100% of 221 is 221. 1% is 2. So 3% will be 6. So 97% will be 221 minus 6, which is 200. These all answers are approximate. These all answers are. So we can directly solve 97% of 2. Okay, let's solve a couple of more questions. If I ask you, what is 51% of 666? So I know 50% will be 333. 1% will be 6. So 51% will be 339. Isn't this super easy? So what I've done, I've calculated 50%. I know 1% is approximately 6, so answer will be 339 approx. Similarly, if I ask you, what is 49% of 666? So I again know 50% is 333. I know 1% is 6. So 49% will be 333 minus, sorry. It will be 49% will be 49% will be 333 minus 6, which will be 320. Okay, let's solve one more question. If I ask you, what is 102% of 1024? So I know 100% is 1024. 1% is 10. 2% will be 20. So answer will be 1044 approximately. Is that clear, guys? Pakka. So suppose if a question of data interpretation comes like this, if a question of data interpretation comes like this and somebody asks you, what is 49% of 6666? And the options are 3333. Another is 3127. Another is 3266. Another is 3366. Now I know 50% is 3333. So 49% will be definitely less than 3333. This option is gone and this option is gone. Now only these two options are left. 1% is 66. So if I decrease 333 may 66. So answer will be approximately equal to 3266. So I'm saying out of the options, this could be the. Got it? So this trick can help you a lot in actually solving the questions in which percentages are involved. We don't need to use pen. We can directly solve the questions. If a percentage is given, we can actually find 100%, 10%, 1%, and accordingly. Suppose something else like 102.5% of 1024 is asked to you in the paper. Okay, so I know 100% is 102. Now I have to find 2.5% more. So 1% is 10. So 2% will be 20. 1% is 10. So 0.5% will be 5. So I can directly say that the answer will be close to 1049, or I can say the answer is approximately equal to 105. Okay, guys, so that's how we can effectively solve all the questions in which percentages are involved. In the next video, we'll be talking more about the application of this concept. So please try to solve the questions by the same time. Thanks a lot.